Tired of feeling like your follow-up boss database is a chaotic black hole where leads go to disappear? Well, get ready to transform that mess into a well-oiled lead-generating machine. Hey there, real estate rockstars. Today, we're diving deep into how to organize your follow-up boss database for maximum efficiency so you can close more deals and stop letting valuable leads slip through the cracks. First things first, master the art of segmentation. Use filters to create targeted lists based on lead source, property interest, timeline, or any other criteria that makes sense for your business. This allows you to send highly relevant messages and personalize your follow-up. Next, embrace the power of custom fields. Go into your settings and create custom fields to capture specific information about your leads that aren't included by default. Think things like their preferred communication method, their dream neighborhood, or even their pet's name. This level of detail will help you build stronger relationships and tailor your approach. Don't underestimate the power of tags. Use tags to further categorize your contacts based on things like hot lead, past client, or open house attendee. Tags make it super easy to quickly identify and group contacts for targeted marketing campaigns. Let's clean up the clutter. Regularly merge duplicate contacts to keep your database tidy and prevent confusion. Nobody likes accidentally reaching out to the same person twice with different messages. Archive inactive leads. If a lead has gone cold or is no longer responsive, archive them. This declutters your active database and keeps your focus on the most promising opportunities. So there you have it. By implementing these simple strategies, you'll transform your follow-up boss database into a powerful tool for generating leads, nurturing relationships, and closing more deals. Happy organizing.